Hola clase, buenos días. Feliz jueves. Hoy es el 10 de septiembre de 2020. Hoy vamos a continuar en el texto en línea con la unidad de las familias y las comunidades con un enfoque en la estructura de la familia. Primero vamos a hacer una lectura, a lecture or a reading rather, y preguntas de escogidos múltiples, multiple choice questions. Entonces, en el libro de texto en línea, Voces, primero van a leer la lectura. Es una infografía. It's an infograph, so like a visual, a graphic with words to read. Y después contesta las preguntas de escogidos múltiples. It looks like so. El título es Nuestro ejercicio, familias a la mexicana. It explains a little bit about what this section of the AP exam looks like, that there's an interpretive communication section with 50% of your total score. There's a part about print text, which this is what this exercise is helping with or practicing. And then there's also a section that's print and audio text, so you have a graphic and then you listen to something about the same topic and then answer multiple choice questions. And then there's another section that's just audio, so you just listen to some sources and answer questions, multiple choice questions about them. And this is very similar to what it will look like on the exam, minus the fact that you won't see like any of these titles at the top, like Nuestro ejercicio, después de leer, etc. The readings always start with a curricular theme, and those are one of the 6 themes that we went over at the beginning of the semester, and we are currently in las familias y las comunidades, or this one's a little bit more specific, la estructura de la familia, family structure. And the instructions are always in English and in Spanish. Read the selection below, and then answer the questions that follow. For each question, choose the response that's the best according to the selection, and then it's in Spanish. Lee el pasaje debajo, etc. Introducción, there's always a little intro that tells you where it's from or maybe what it's about. So, esta infografía muestra información sobre las familias mexicanas y esta fuente fue publicada por Notimex in 2014. So this infograph shows information about Mexican families. The source was published by this company in 2014. So I'm not going to read this to you or translate it for you because it's really, a lot of it isn't even full sentences. It's just like almost like bulleted points, and there's lots of visuals. So I'm not going to go over it with you. A lot of it is pretty self-explanatory. Just want to remind you, you may use word reference, like to look up new words that you may not know, but some of the images may help you with what it means. Hay 6 preguntas en total después para la selección múltiple. Número 1, ¿cuál es el propósito de esta infografía? What is the purpose? This word propósito you want to get familiar with because we're going to see that all year. What is the purpose of this infograph? And then you're going to read through these and decide the best answer. If you need to look up some word, maybe you don't know the word fomentar, use word reference. 2, ¿cuál de estas cifras es correcta? Which of the following figures or numbers is correct? So they're talking about different like fractions or numbers of people or majority or what's trying to give you examples from the answers or what's most common. So choose the best answer according to the graphic. 3, ¿cuál de estos tipos de familia no se menciona? Which of the following types of family is not mentioned? So that's going to be a process of elimination based on what you did read or what is in the graphic. 4, ¿cuál es el significado de fecundidad? So based on what you read in the visuals, you may be able to figure this out, or you can look up at word reference. 5, ¿cuál de estas afirmaciones no se puede decidir de esta infografía? So which of these affirmations cannot be deduced or concluded from this infograph? And ¿cuál de estas afirmaciones resume esta infografía? Which of these affirmations summarizes this infograph? Y eso es todo para hoy. That's all for today. I really want you to take some time to really do your best to understand all of this graphic. There's not that much text, so if there are new words, I encourage you to look them up on word reference. If you have a printer, maybe print it and do what you might do if you were in class, or if it were in a book where you could take notes and translate new words. Same thing with the questions if you need to. Sometimes that helps when you translate the words and the questions right on the paper. Y como siempre, escríbeme si tienen preguntas y buena suerte.